How to disable Facebook previews on Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable off Facebook previews on the Facebook Lite app. This is quick and easy process, so let's get started. The process is pretty much similar in both Facebook as well as Facebook Lite apps, so let's get started. First, we need to open the Facebook app. Now, once you're here, you need to tap on the three lines icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you have done that, you need to tap on Settings and Privacy, and then you need to tap on Settings. Now, scroll down until you see Followers and Public Content. Now, simply tap on it. Once you have done that, you can see in the bottom of Facebook previews. If it's toggled off, you need to simply toggle it on, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. I'll see you in the next video.